the 2013 Volkswagen Jetta. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter five-cylinder engine. Volkswagen prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, turn signal indicator mirrors, and power front seats. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.